Okay, so this one means, this statement means if this is positive, then this is positive because y is equals to a power x. Now the second one is important. Now the base must be always bigger than 0. So rightwards is easier to see. Rightwards is easier to see. Base is more than 0. Base is not equal to 1. Okay? So you change the word a, because a, sometimes you think a is just any random variable. This a actually represents the base. So the base is always more than 0. And the base is not equal to 1, then this log base a y is equal to x. Nothing much here yet. Now, the next property, log a is equal to 1. This is important. Very useful. It's the top 10 trick that I always use. Okay? Log a is equal to 1. Can you highlight this? Ryan, what did I say?
Highlight this. Log a equals to 1.
So example, log 2 equals to 1. Okay? Now, give more example here. Log 5 what equals to 1? 5. So log 5 equals to 1. Log 99 equals to 1. Okay, so any number, log base of any number, then the same number is always equals to 1. Can Now, next one, log a1 is equals to 0. If you ask me, Cher, how do you know? It comes from this one. So this is base, this is power, right? So log base number equals to power. Do you follow? Then this one says log base number equals to power. Remember the one that we did? Now, so based on these two, now I want you to tell me in calculator what happened when you press ln e. Is it 1? What is ln e? Ln means you press ln. Ln is beside the word log. Do you get 1? Why? Before you write 1, can you explain why? Ln is how to press the e? E is the alpha times 10 to the power of x. That one. Alpha times 10 power. Or you don't like, you press shift ln then power 1. Can you see that? Okay, why is it equals to 1? Ln e is actually log base what? Log base e. So can you write log base e?
按多一次啊，按这个位置啊。按多一次啊。哦，对啊。
Okay, so can you write log base e? Then e.
Log base e.
So log base e, then e, the bigger one, then equals to 1. Okay? Now what about ln 1? 0. Alright, so this is 0. So this is log base e1. Now, then my question, LG what equals to 1? 10. Why? Log is base 10. So log 10 equals 1. Yay. Very go and wash your face. Okay, next one. Very quick. What's the first answer? 1. Yeah? I don't even have to press my calculator. Can I press my calculator for log base 18? Cannot. Cannot, because calculator is only. Now what about this? 0, right? This is 0. What about this? Cannot do it. Okay, this one You see, log 1818, log base 1818 means the base and the number is the same. This base is 5. Make a prediction, what do I have to do with this? Change to 5 power 3. So can you help me write? This is equal to log base 5, number 5, the power is 3. This is the first time you see 3 numbers like that. Let me explain. This is the base, this is the number, this is the power of the number. Okay? Stop here. Now the next one. Yeah, there's a number, there's an answer later. I go through the law, I come back to this question. So, it's 3. So, this one, can you change to the same base as well? What do you do? Log base 5. What is 1 over 5? 5 power negative 1. Stop here first. Then, later on, we do. Okay, go on to the next one. 1 to the power of 3 is equals to 1. Can we write log 1 equals to 3? No. Why? Huh? You see, this is my base, right? This is my power, right? So log base power equals to number. Why is it no? Because for log to happen, my base got 2 conditions. What is the 2 conditions? Darren, what did I say about not talking? I said the thing is recording, right? And when you talk, it's inside the video. Separate your table. So what do you say about the base? The base must be more than 0. And cannot be 1. So can you write here, because the base must be not equals to 1, just like that. Okay? My base cannot be equals to 1. That's the reason. Okay? Okay, then C. C, the answer is just like that first, but there's another equal later. Later. So you copy this first. No. This is not the answer. There's another equal. D, there's another equal. I'll come back to this. Can? So let me come back to this. So no, the base cannot be equals to 1. That's the reason. Let's go on to the next one. Next page. Okay. These are your friends. Similar to law of indices. Now, after we know these friends, we will use this to solve all the questions. Now, let's start. Now, the first one is called product rule. Now, let me introduce you properly so that you know what is going on. Now, the first one. Look at the base A. Okay. Because you're O-level. Okay. The condition, very important. Listen. Remember just now we said the base A cannot be equals to 1. Where do you see that? The property. Do you see the property? Okay. I recap. You see over here? It looked harmless, but it actually came out as one of the questions. Explain why, right? So same thing here. This one, the condition is very important. If N-level, I will skip. O-level, I will teach. So condition is A cannot be equal to what? 1. The X and Y must be what? Positive. Everything must be positive, and the base cannot be equal to 1. So let's continue. Now, so if I have something like that, look at the base. This is A. The base is it A? Yes. So product law means if in one log there is a product, I split, it will become a sum of 2 log. Can follow? So if I have a log with a product inside, if this is multiplied, I split, it will be x plus y. Log x plus log base ay. Okay, Now, second one, quotient. Quotient means if the log inside is divide, what happen? I split become what? Minus. Can follow? So it's like opposite of that. So if it's multiply, split become plus. Divide, split become divide. Minus. Okay? Now third one, power law. This is fun, power law. Power law means the power n can be at a power or you can bring down in front of log. Alright? So power law means you can bring the power. So I write a few words. So this one means you can bring the power down. Okay, let me add a few symbols. Must focus, because this one, if you don't get it, the rest 2 weeks gone. Whatever I say don't make sense to you. So this one means if x, the power is on top, I can bring down. I can also bring up. So if there's an n here, what I can do is I can bring up. So this down up is a slash. So you can either bring down or bring up. Okay. Now can you turn over to the previous page? Turn over to the previous page. Now, what is the power here? 3, right? The previous page. So just now what we learned is I can bring down. Can you circle the 3 and draw an arrow? Really like bring the number down. Bring the number down. So you will have 3 times log base 5, 5. 3 times log base 5, 5. Now, you don't write the times is fine, so you just write 3 log base 5, 5. What is log 5, 5? 1. So this answer is 3. Can you try now with the next example? What will you do? Okay, soon, what will you do to the minus 1? Bring down. So bring down, I'll write negative log 5, 5. And what's the answer? Negative 1. Follow now? So we just use the power law on the previous page. Come back to this page. What? Okay. Here. So I can bring the power negative 1 down in front of the log. Then log 5, 5 is 1. So this is minus 1. Okay. Now change base. Wow, this one I cannot tell you how important it is. Okay. Now all look up first. Open your eyes, look in front, look up, Wishen, look up. Now, this is important. Now, log AX. Now, I want you to identify the O base. The O base is A. The new base is B. Okay? The new base is B. So I want you to write here, new base. So what it means is this. New base equal to B. Can you see that what I'm doing now is the old base A, I change to new base, and then the numerator, it will be the number. The denominator is the O base. So this is the O base. Okay, I repeat again. So change base law means if I have an O base A, I can change to a new base, Darren, and change to a new base B. It becomes a fraction now. The top number is the number. The bottom number is the O base. Okay? Now I give you example. Now, I give you an example. Let's start. Now, let's look at the first one. Log base 6, 3. Press calculator. Hey, pay attention. Log 6, 3. What's the answer? What's the answer? Press the calculator. How to press? Very good. The answer is cannot press. Why? Because calculator is base 10, right? So I'm going to show you how to press this in your calculator. Help me to draw a line. Help me to draw a line. And we start. Now, log base 6, 3. Now, how do I press any number in the calculator? I need to change to base 10. Very good. So, first thing you do is you write a divide. Ryan. You write a divide and then you write base 10. You write base 10. Okay? You write base 10, you write base 10. Nixon write as well. Even though you got the answer correct. So, from here, what you need to do is you need to write something, a number here. You write a number here. Which one is the O base? 6. O base, do I put a numerator or denominator? Denominator. So this number will be 6. This number will be 3. Can follow? So this number will be 3. This number will be 6. Can you press a calculator now? The new base always 10? No. I will teach you how to change the new base to another base. But this, if I change the base 10, I can press calculator. Press calculator now, what's the answer? 0. No, this divided by this. This divided by this. So 0.6113. Okay? Done? Can, we haven't solved this question yet. Now, help me write another one. Log base 6, 3. Log base 6, 3. And then, I want you to write new base, you always try to choose small number. So 6 and 3 are the two numbers I see here. Which one is smaller? 3, right? So which means the new base I want to change to base 3. Can follow? So if you want to change to a new base, what you can do is you can change this to a new number and choose the number, choose a smaller number. Prime number. In this case is 3. So let's try. This is equal to log base 3. Log base 3. So new base is 3, 3. What number do I put on top? What number do I put bottom? 3 and 6. 3 and 6. Okay? So, what is log 3, 3? 1. What is log 3, 6? Nothing. Log 3, 6 is log 3, 6. Can I press calculator? Cannot. If I want this, I will still need to change into log base 10. Okay? Understand? So here you are stuck. I stop here. What am I doing in these two? I'm trying to show you how to change base. You understand? So change base, I can change to base 10, I can change to base 3, I can change to base 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever. Whatever number I like, I just change. Follow? Follow. Now, come to... must I always change to base 10? Yes and no. If I want to press calculator, I change to base 10. If I don't want to press calculator, I change to a number, a small number. I will show you more example. Now, come back to this question. Now, all this nonsense is not solving the question. Look at this question now. I want to solve. What must I do? You must select a log. You look at these two. Log something plus log something. It looks like the product rule. It looks like the product rule. So this looks like product rule. Product law. So product law means when I simplify, it will be what? So log something plus log something. Check, it must be same base or different base? It must be same base. So this one, product law, it must be same base. So I try. This will be log 6 bracket. What do I do to the 3 and 2? Times, right? So 3 times 2. So 3 times 2 give you 6. So this become log 6. What's the answer? 1. Hashtag. Simple, very simple one, log. The one I do on the left is just trying to explain the change of base. Nothing to do with the question. Huh? For now, simple only. Okay, next. Turn to the B. Turn to the B. Okay, now, what about LG30 minus LG3? This is what law? Quotient. This is the quotient law. Now, what do you have to check? Same base. Now, I write this for a reason. You want to write down also as a start. But later on, when you are pro, no need to write anymore. So, quotient law, same base. So, minus, what do I do to the two number? Divide, right? Divide. So, I write LG 30 divided by 3. What's the answer? 10. LG 10 equals to 1. Now, do I have to write LOG 10? No need. No need. No need. I write because I want to show you. But now you pro, right? You know LG is log base 10. So log 10 equals to 1. I write never mind. So if you write this, lagi better. Okay, lagi better. Okay, now next. This one, what do you do? Product, what do I do? Times. Hashtag. So I pro now. I don't even write product rule. I don't even write same base. Because I pro. I check. Okay? Next. Last one. Am I too fast? I'm too slow. Can I go to D? Can. Can, Okay, come. Now. How long already? Oh,